Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Allosaurus in the Isle. Once you spawn in, the most important part of the game is to survive and grow your dinosaur. Remember to manage your stamina carefully. Each dinosaur has its own unique way of surviving. Open your dinosaur status by pressing tab on your keyboard. From here, you can see the preferred food for Allosaurus. Since there's no map available in-game, click the asset location shown in this tab. Then open your browser and search for islemaps.com. Here, you can paste your coordinates to see where you spawned. Once you know your location, you can match it with nearby food sources that suit your dinosaur's diet. You can also use your scent ability to track key points on the map by holding Q. If you see this icon, it's called a migration zone. This is where increased food sources for herbivores are located. These zones are also beneficial for carnivores like you since herbivores gather there. Allosaurus is a mid to large carnivore that excels in pack hunting. Allosaurus relies on sustained pressure rather than short bursts. Use this information to survive as a baby Allosaurus and grow into an adult. And that's how to play Allosaurus in the Isle. Thank you so much for watching.